A Boss 302, left bleeding into the mud.
Time bent what pride once held straight. Every touch answers back.
The cabin remembers the impact.
This is where the real fight begins.
Every scar gets counted.
Impact rewrote the geometry.
The frame tells no lies.
Time never sealed these cuts.
From here, it comes apart.
Silence comes first.
Rust never lets go easily. Steel argues before it yields.
Weight comes off piece by piece.
Nothing survives without discipline.
Fire convinces steel to let go.
The car exhales for the last time. Power has nowhere to travel. Control drains away quietly. Taken apart, the truth is clearer. Weight always needs a place to rest.
This joint held through impact.
Some burdens leave reluctantly.
It gave everything it had.
Heart is next.
Nothing holds it down anymore.
Core finally leaves the shell.
Now it can be judged.
Everything vital is gone.
Only structure remains.
Now the frame can't lie.
Force replaces patience. It remembers the crash.
That sound means surrender.
The foundation holds again.
What's dead gets cut away.
Saving it would be a lie.
That piece was already gone.
one hasn't failed yet.
Scars that hold. Strength doesn't need decoration.
This keeps the rot away.
How the skin gets judged.
Nothing hides under pressure.
Muscle was always there.
Correction, not disguise.
Surface answers honestly.
Feel replaces measurement.
Paint only sticks to truth.
This is a reset point.
Hands catch what eyes miss.
Water won't find a way in. Strength where no one looks.
It's time to harden its promise.
Rushing ruins everything.
Structure and skin meet again.
This bond won't shift.
Stance starts here. Direction matters again.
Speed needs an answer.
Energy finds its place. Balance comes back from the ground up.
This weight won't wander.
Stopping gets rebuilt too.
Power, where's she? Power has a path again.
It can stand on its own now.
Signals find their routes. Chaos kills circuits.
The dash speaks again.
The cockpit comes together.
Control returns to the driver.
This is where it's felt.
Inside is whole again.
The world comes back into view. Nothing should fight the motion.
Fit is everything.
Elements stay out.
Power needs a solid home.
The chain is whole again.
Heat will be kept in check.
Everything it needs to survive.
The system wakes up.
It answers back.
Protection before fire.
Now there's no excuse.
The silence is broken.
Problems show themselves early.
That sound means balance.
Straight lines matter.
Stopping is just as important.
No fight in the wheel.
The system is calm.
This is the answer.